This is the situation. I just started the second episode of The Beauty World. Kidding. I was just watching Jeffree and Shane's episode 3. Guys, like, I love them. They're like the best people ever. Guys. Wait, I look actually crazy the house. Oh my god. I just put in my card information. Don't steal my identity. Oh. They have the minis and the travel bag. Like, I think I'm just gonna buy it because I'm here. And look, they have it. I'm surprised they still have things. I'm really shooketh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, like, I know I already introed this video, so obviously, you know, we're gonna be digging into the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star conspiracy palette, but I've been waiting, guys. Like, you don't even know. Like, I got this package on Wednesday. It came to my house, and then I had my parents overnight it to me here in the city, and I got it yesterday, and I've been practicing some major self-control because, like, I've been dying to open this. So, you guys saw that I had gotten the mini controversy palette, which I have looked at, but I have not swatched or anything, so I'm going to be doing that today, and I'll talk a little bit more about it. Oh my god, stunning. And then you also saw that I picked up the makeup bag at the Morphe store, and I'll just give the update now. I love this thing. It's kind of like a weird thing to love. It's just a bag, but you know, and again, it sounds weird, but this zipper is like a nice zipper, you know? And like, it just fits everything. It's so sleek looking and like, oh, like stunning. I love it. But here's the box. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm just opening it. Okay, actually, wait. So, what I want to do in this video, I am not a beauty guru, okay? I don't have any eye makeup on. I figured maybe I could try putting the eyeshadow on. Guys, I just don't wear eyeshadow on a daily. I'll probably do like a very like everyday neutral look. So I'm sorry if you're looking for a tutorial. Like, maybe this is some place for you. But this channel is all about me. And I want to talk about things I'm excited about, and this is something that I'm excited about. Also, I feel like all the unboxings that I've seen on YouTube are from like major influencers who got like the PR package. Obviously, that is not me. We did not get the PR package. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when you get it shipped from Morphe.com. And like I said, I ordered it Friday, November 1st, and it came Wednesday, November 5th. So really super fast shipping. Okay guys, like, this is amazing. Okay. Wait, I'm a little upset that maybe because I didn't order from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, but I didn't get like the tissue paper with like their prints on it. This is crazy, guys. Like, I know it's just like a makeup palette, but like, if you watch the series, I feel like you can maybe relate, or I just sound insane, but like, I've been watching the process of making this product through these documentary series. So like, I feel like I've been a part with them for every step. Like, oh, like, let's pick out the packaging. I feel like I was like, ooh, let's do this one. You know what I'm saying? And now that I have the actual product, I feel like I was in the making of this, and now I can see the final result. And like, it's just crazy for me. Like, imagine how it is for them. I'm about to shed a tear. Like, you know, like, congratulations, guys. Oh, this is stunning. Okay. Here's the packaging. Like, you guys have probably already seen this, as have I, but oh wow, that's just stunning. Ready? Wow. Okay. Whoa. Obviously I feel like food videos is like the first one that jumps out, and I saw Alicia Marie did this where you like cover this one and it's like suddenly it's a neutrals palette, but like that kind of changes the game. But for me, first opening this, like, Trisha is all I can see. And I think that's so amazing. I watch all her videos. We love her. I just can't believe I have it. This is crazy. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so I do notice in a lot of the videos that I've seen, because I have watched them, like, everyone kind of disregards the controversy palette even though they have it, and they just jump right into the conspiracy palette. So I think I'm going to use like some of the controversy too, also because I've had this staring at me for the past 5 days and I need to use it. So again, I'll just show you guys a close-up of this one. I think this packaging is my favorite just because of this like rainbow like reflection. I think that's everything. I really do. And then here are these shades. So this is a 9 shade palette, and I think that this is perfect for travel. Like I said, guys, I'm not really like a makeup guru. I'm not an eyeshadower, so I don't really know like what to really do. So I'm a little nervous, but I'm gonna try it. Making myself laugh. Okay, so I do have some nice brushes though. All right, so I feel like I've seen a lot of people use My Pills as like the base color, but for me, when I'm looking at it, My Pills kind of has like a pink undertone, and I don't think that's something I would pick up. I feel like Cry on My Couch is something I would think is a nice base. So that's in the Mini Controversy palette. So I'm just going to go in with the Morphe M153, and I'm just going to like pat my brush in to Cry on My Couch. And that's a lot of product. Maybe we picked up too much. Okay. This mirror is perfect. I actually don't know how to do makeup. Can't believe I'm doing a makeup tutorial, guys. I'm a little embarrassed because I have no idea what I'm doing. That's a really nice color just to cover my lid. I feel like it matches my skin tone really well. And that kind of just like evens out my lid and like gets rid of any veins or anything. So that's perfect. Also, Ranch is like a shimmer shade, and I really thought that was a matte white. So I'm a little surprised, not in a bad way, but that's just something to pick up if you were like me and thought that it was a matte. It's not. I think I'm gonna go in, I really have no idea. There's so many options. I feel a little overwhelmed. I think I'm gonna use Diet Root Beer, and I'm gonna use it in the Conspiracy palette just for variation. And this mirror is like a 4K TV, you know? Okay, so I'm dipping into Diet Root Beer. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go kind of like in my crease, but like, ooh, pigment. Okay, so she said pigment. She said pigment. Okay, maybe I grabbed too much. So pigment, wow. But she's blending beautifully. I'm just kind of doing circular in my crease. Oh, that looks a little pretty. Very diffused out. That's what I like. Okay, that's actually really pretty. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm good with one color and I'm out the door. But I feel like for the purpose of the video, I need to experiment with a little bit more. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm using this palette, guys. Am I the only one? No. I know other people probably feel like that. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay, I love that. I really do. I'm gonna kind of put this, like, on my lid and towards, like, the inner corner because the lighter color, I think that's would be good. With the M153. Okay. That's pretty. Guys, I'm gonna go back in with the fluffy brush I used before and kind of just, like, blend out the inner corner a little bit, give it more of that like diffused look. Okay, this is a very basic look, guys. I'm a basic girl living in a basic world. I think I'm gonna go in with Just a Theory. I'm not even gonna swatch it, and I'm gonna put that in the center to kind of like do that like ombre shimmer effect. But I also think my Boyfriend's Purse, maybe that's too silvery though. I'm going to go in with the Morphe M135. This is kind of like a dense flat brush, but it's a little wider than the 53. And I'm going to go into Just a Theory. And I'm just going to like, kind of like do it like this. Because I want like the product to like get on this side. So that's what it looks like on the brush. And I think I'm just going to pat it in the center. I don't think that worked the way I wanted to, and I think I'm going to use my finger because I know for shades like this, you should use your finger. Here we go. I think I'm going to use my Boyfriend's Purse. I don't know, that color is really calling my name. This is in the Mini Controversy palette. Like on the inner corner. Alright, I'm going to use actually Ranch because I feel like it's not really giving me like the color I wanted. Also, did it just get really bright? I'm going in with Ranch, and I'm gonna put that in the, there we go, that is what I wanted. A little Alicia Marie moment. Can you guys tell I watched her video? I mean, I watch all her videos, so. Alright, I just kind of deepened up the Diet Root Beer. I'm sorry the lighting's going in and out, like the sun is, like, to be honest, I feel like I'm good. It's a very basic look because I'm just a basic girl. I always see when like makeup artists go under the lower lash and like really hit the lower lash and it never works, so I'm gonna try it. I'm going to use the other end of the Morphe 156, like this really baby side. And I'm gonna go into Diet Root Beer in the Conspiracy palette. Use it so it like hits against my lower lash line like I see everyone do. And hopefully I'm gonna connect it from outer corner to inner corner. Hey, like that worked. I feel like, watch you guys be like, that looks so bad. I think it worked. I'm just gonna like diffuse the edges again. All right guys, like I think this looks pretty good. Like I don't know, for a girl who doesn't really know how to do eyeshadow, I feel like I'm saying that and it's giving off the message like, why did you buy this? I'm supporting the series. I do wear makeup. I'm just saying it's not something I am great at, but I think this looks really good. Like for an everyday, like I feel so comfortable walking out like this. Okay, so I just threw on some mascara, some eyeliner, and kind of just like made myself ready to go. And guys, I'm really obsessed with this Diet Root Beer color. That's kind of just like the main color I use, and I think it looks really good. Like I would wear this every day. Like I think this is actually stunning. So guys, I just cannot believe I have this palette. I'm sorry I didn't really go crazy with like the colors. Maybe in a vlog or something I'll try that for you guys. But overall thoughts, if you're not a fan of this series or this collection, this as a makeup product to me seems very high quality. I think it's worth the money. I don't expect anything less from them. Like I'm not surprised. And just to finally have this in my hands, like congratulations Shane and Jeffree, if you're by chance watching this. I love you guys. I support you guys. I think the series is great. I think this product is everything. I bought the palette first and I bought this by chance, and it wasn't something I like it wasn't at the top of my list, but I am so happy I purchased it. Again, with that Diet Root Beer color, I feel like I can do so many looks, and when I just want to run, if I'm going home for the weekend, if I'm going away, this is something I can throw in my bag and I don't even have to worry about it. And this I will never get over. I think it's stunning. Congratulations. And like the bag, like probably my favorite thing I got, which sounds probably ridiculous, but I just love this bag. Like, it just fits everything. It fits, like I have my whole big bottle of setting spray and there's still so much room, and I have everything else in there. So shout out to you guys. You guys did a great job. Hopefully I did a nice representation of your product. This is something I will definitely be using on the daily. Again, I think that was one of Shane's like concerns, is he didn't want to just make a palette that was full of crazy colors that wasn't like wearable for the everyday girl who I think I am. So for me, this is something I could totally grab, even if when I'm going out for like an event and I want to like throw on a pop of color, if I want to just wear like Trisha all over my lid. Oh my god, like that's everything. So again, congrats to you guys. There's my bed. There are no complaints. I can't say anything bad about these products. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for having this exciting moment with me. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. This is something a little different, a little unboxing. So I really enjoyed making this video. I love how it turned out. Now I'm gonna go shopping at Trader Joe's, and I can't wait to walk around with my new eyeshadow. Say hi, what? You have cauliflower, Nokia, whatever.